Guys, I'm here at the Seminole Hard Rock Casino in Tampa, Florida. I just took a quick look at the poker room. This is what it looks like. This is a really big poker room. A lot of tables. I'm not going to play, but there's a long waiting list and a lot of tables. So now I'm going to take a walk through the casino, see what kind of games they got, who's out here, what kind of things they got going on tonight on this Friday night around 11:30 at night. So I'm not really sure if you're allowed to film in the casinos. I did it once before, but I wasn't really obvious about it. And when I was coming up the escalator from the poker casino, one guy said to the other guy going down the escalator, "Did you win?" And the guy's like, "No, I just lost $2,000. I messed up." Yeah, I would say that's a mess up, but I'm sure that is not, unusual in a casino of this size with this amount of games and this amount of people coming out here. But I am not a fan of casinos, I'll tell you right now. And the reason is that you look at these people here and, it's 11:30 at night on a Friday night, and you got, very old people that could barely walk or are in wheelchairs. They're spending their time here, I don't know, blowing their Social Security check or something. I'm not even sure. But I just, the image they show you on TV where everybody's in tuxedos around the roulette table or the craps or whatever, and everybody's winning and having a great time is not really the reality of most of the casinos as you see here. It's just a lot of, regular everyday people that, all lose in the end, right? The longer you play, the longer you're going to lose. That's guaranteed. And so, like I always say, they don't build these casinos from losing money, right? You never see a hotel built from the people that won in the casinos. But it's a Friday night. This is who's out here. It's interesting to see. Although, another thing I don't like is the smoke. I believe you're allowed to smoke in here, and I can kind of smell it. Smells like cigarettes and, potpourri or something like that, carpet cleaning or something. Well, let's see what's going on around the bar over here. So I guess these are blackjack tables and slot machines galore. So the bar looks kind of lively. Let's walk through there, see who's hanging out here. So this place is very lively, I would say. So even if you don't gamble, I guess this is a place to come on the weekends because there's a big crowd of people, and I'm sure a lot of them are from out of town. I almost kicked that broken glass over there. So yeah, I'm sure it's a mix of out-of-towners, locals, and everything in between. And so, it's I can see that it's kind of exciting with all the lights and all of that stuff, all the people, all the money, this and that. But we all know the end result, right? There's a bar over here that sometimes has live bands. So let's see if it's open and if they have anybody there. This place here, it's open, but no live bands tonight?
No, it was a DJ, but he finished at 11.
Okay. How late is this place open?
Still 12.
Okay. Alright, thank you. So they don't always have a live band, they got DJs and whatnot. But the last time I did a walkthrough over here, I think it was like a daytime, like 2 o'clock in the afternoon on a Saturday or Sunday. My cousin was staying out here, so I came to visit him, but it definitely wasn't as lively as it is right now at around 11:30 or so on a Friday night. Players Club, I don't know what that means, but I guess people who spend a whole lot of money out here and get comped all kinds of stuff. Let's see what's over here. So this is Noodle Bar, and there's a big line to get in here. Wow. Okay. You know, it's funny because if you ever watch those old TV shows about, you know, how they catch cheaters in Vegas and stuff like that, you know, they didn't allow I think they didn't allow anybody in with cameras or electronics or something like that. And now I'm walking around with a camera, you know, right out in the open, and nobody said anything. I think maybe, you know, they see the futility of trying to grab people's cameras because everybody has one, and more importantly, this is probably like advertising for them. If I put it on YouTube or whatever, people get to see the casino, and you know, they see the action and the people, and hey, they're like, hey, I'm in Tampa, let me go check that out. So I guess it's helpful to them. Now watch I get thrown out and they confiscate my camera or something. Check this out. So they have some nice pastries and stuff over here. So the truffles. So yeah, even if you don't gamble and you have no intention of gambling, I would come out here just for a night, maybe have some drinks at the bar, or get something from that pastry shop, or like I said, just walk around and people watch and stuff, because that in itself is interesting, whether you gamble or not. Right, this is, I think, Liberace's piano or something. Oh, no, Elvis Presley's piano, right? So let's see what's over here. Blazing Blackjack. I have no idea how to play these games, and they actually look pretty complicated. I've yet to see somebody in a tuxedo or even a suit like you see on the commercials. Cash window. Deli. Bachelorette party straight ahead. A whole lot of pink. This guy won $1 trillion or something, or 109 at least. Mythical Unicow. This is where you go to get credit. Doesn't look like the typical pawn shop where you go to get credit. Looks pretty fancy. Like this place over here, is that like a high rollers room or something? Now there's also the hotel that's connected to this, and there's a upstairs pool. I forget how to get there. I think I had to go into that east tower maybe. Yeah, it looks that way. And I don't have a card, so I guess I can't get in there at night. Maybe in the daytime I was able to go without showing a card. Guys, that's a look at what the Seminole Hard Rock Casino in Tampa is like on a Friday night, hanging out in front of Elvis's piano over here with all the people that are either gambling or just drinking or hanging out or walking around and checking out the scene. So if you like what you see, it's free to park here, free to get in, all that stuff. Just don't bring more money than you're willing to lose. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.